Alright, in this class, still in the series of the stationery corporate designs, you'll be learning how to design a simple minimalist envelope. So let's get started with CorelDRAW. I will still be using the elements from the designs we've been doing in this series. That's the logo of the food song that I've been using, the templates and all that. First of all, what you do after opening your CorelDRAW is go and choose an envelope size. You have an envelope size. You can take envelope 10. Envelope 10. Alright. So this is your envelope. Double click on your rectangle tool to fill it with a square. Sorry, with a rectangle, not a square this time around. So we'll have a white field here. Let me take off this lens. Then I'll bring in the design elements. I'll copy and paste in the next slide or the next workspace. So I will be using that of the letterhead for it. I'll power clip this. Power clip this. You can reduce it inside if you want to. Then we can either go simple, something simple like this. If you want to, maybe put a box here and give it the navy blue color we've been using. That is allowed to make it look really unique. So we can have something like this here. Then all our contact and address can come here. Contact and address can come here. Then our registration number can be here. Will come here. Can come here. Alright. You can decide to make this like that of the business card. So we have our envelope. We have our envelope designed perfectly. So what I will do next is I'll just export envelope. Alright, this is our envelope. It's simple and unique. We can place this on a mock-up, but for you to see how it will look on a mock-up, go and get the course on how to use mock-up. It's also on this platform. So this will be the end of this class for the stationery designs. Thank you so much.